Once a young person came to Buddha and said that, Buddha, in my village, most of the people are illiterate. I want to study, I want to be educated. I went to school also for a few days and I studied also, but my family members don't want me to carry on my education. And all the villagers are also thinking the same way. They think that there is a lot of money in the agriculture and there is no benefit of studying while doing agriculture. So they don't allow me to go to school. Please come to my village and help us. Buddha smiled and said, sure, I'll come in few days. That youngster went to the village and said to everyone that Buddha will come here in few days. Everyone was happy because Buddha was very famous there. After a few days, Buddha went there and every evening he will give the spiritual discourse and people used to love it. But daily he will talk something about the education. He will talk about the importance of education on daily basis. But the villager felt unhappy whenever he will talk about the education and schools. One day, one lady asked one question that my child is 5 year old. In what age I should start his education? Buddha said, you should have been started the education 5 years back when he was 1 year old. What he should eat, what he should not eat, what he should talk, what he should not talk, and all of the things you should teach him. Then only he can take care of himself. Otherwise not. All the villagers understood what Buddha is saying and they agreed to send their children to schools. In the school, the youngster who has requested Buddha to come, he learned the techniques to save water. He started saving the rainwater and all other villagers will make fun of him that why are you saving this water? What will be the use of this? But that youngster didn't listen to anyone. He kept on saving the water. He made one small pond and he started saving the water. The next year in summer, there was no water in the village and the groundwater also had gone completely down. It was very scorching heat in the sun and the summer was very hot. The crop of the villagers started drying. Then they asked for the help of that young person. That young guy helped everyone and allowed everyone to take the water. Now the villagers came to know the more importance of the education. In the same way, if anyone who is listening to this story and is youngster or is a child or parent, they should think that the education is very important. It helps not only in agriculture but all areas of your life. Even if you want to do meditation, also you should be educated because then you can understand it better and you can read multiple scriptures and convince your mind what is truth and what is not. So education is very important to grow in any area of your life, any field. You need education. So everyone should get education and everyone should go to school. That is the message of this story.